Okay, golfers, set up. You've got to set up correctly every time. You've got to place the ball in the correct spot every time. So what you need to do is when you address the ball, keep your feet together like you're getting a wedge shot every time. Keep them together, get your shoulders lined up with your target. Get the face of the club lined up with the target. Nice grip with your left hand for you right-handed golfers. Stand straight up, get a good athletic position, and keep your head still. Try and stand up tall. You want your arms to hang straight down, and you want the club face square. Take it back with your shoulders, not your hands.